Hey guys, in this video, we're going to discuss the types of trend lines and how to draw them on the chart. We're going to go straight to the chart in this video because in this instance, the visual helps 100% and the theory just gets lost in translation. Okay, so let's head to the charts. So as we spoke about in the previous video, you can draw these trend lines off the highs for an uptrend or off the lows for a downtrend. Now we're going to flip this upside down in this video, and I'm going to show you how to draw them off the highs for a downtrend and off the lows for an uptrend. If you haven't seen the rest of the videos, please head back and watch them because they take you from start to finish on how to draw the trend lines, how to find support and resistance zones and all that jazz. Now let's see the trend lines in action. So the theory behind drawing the trend lines from highs in an uptrend and drawing the trend lines from lows in a downtrend basically lets us find a turning point in the market. Now, drawing the trend lines from the lows in an uptrend and from the highs in a downtrend actually lets us get confirmation that the trend is about to change. So the way we do this is we're drawing a trend line from the lows. We wait for price to break that trend line. Now, a break of a trend line is actually separating from the trend line itself. Then come back up and hit our trend line, and from there we have a confirmation that the trend is about to change. Vice versa, for the lows, we're in a downtrend, we're drawing our trend line from the highs, then price comes up, breaks the trend line, separates from it, as we said before, comes back down, touches our trend line, and that gives us a confirmation that the trend might change at this point. This confirmation is a lot stronger than just picking a turning point. So that's all that there is to it, really. So please grab your charts for 30 to 45 minutes. Again, repetition is the mother of all skill, and see how price breaks your trend line, comes back, touches the trend line, and then turns and heads in the opposite direction. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like its content, then please hit the like and subscribe buttons on YouTube, share it to your social media, follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome rest of your day until then.